ce serait bien. Et puis l'indépendance aussi des Français, quoi. Donc voilà, qu'on ait quand même l'indépendance des deux côtés, ce serait bien. L'indépendance des individus, vous voyez. Alors, au moins un minimum d'indépendance. Alors évidemment, les pays existent, hein, donc les pays existent, donc oui, évidemment, vous êtes plus avec un pays ou un autre, etc. Ça, pas de souci. Ce que je veux dire, juste, c'est l'indépendance de penser des gens et, euh, et bien euh, d'essayer d'augmenter leurs capacités. Vous voyez, pas de les rabaisser et de faire d'eux des esclaves. Vous voyez, voilà. Donc, bon, j'espère que on va réussir à faire ça. Et moi, honnêtement, euh, je me dis, enfin, c'est quand même capital. Vous voyez, c'est quand même, honnêtement, très très capital. Vous voyez. Donc voilà. Euh, euh, J'espère qu'on va réussir à mettre ça en place. Vous voyez, voilà. Donc là, les floutages, c'est bon. Alors il y a un floutage en plus à faire. Et on était en train de monter cette vidéo. Donc allez, on continue. On continue, on continue. Euh, Alors vous voyez tout ça. Alors là, vous allez me dire, Gauthier, ça avance pas trop au niveau technique. Je ne peux pas avancer au niveau technique. Vous voyez. En gros, à chaque fois que j'essaye de faire un truc technique, je suis bloqué. Alors de temps en temps, comme là, vous voyez, de temps en temps, il y a un miracle qui arrive. Vous voyez. Et pendant allez, 10 minutes, ça marche bien. Et puis ensuite, problème sur problème sur problème sur problème sur problème. Donc voilà. Donc honnêtement, j'ai des difficultés énormes à avancer à cause des machines. D'accord. Donc voilà. Euh, voilà. Euh, je vais aller chercher de l'eau parce que j'ai soif. Et vous voyez, il y a beaucoup de gens qui pensent à l'alcool c'est de l'eau. Vous voyez, enfin, c'est fou hein, que ils s'adonnent encore à ce genre de conneries quoi. Vous voyez. Donc voilà. Alors, en vrai, so US people, if you wanted me to basically be addicted to alcohol, honestly, sorry, I didn't know. Okay. Um, Basically, so what you could have done is basically say, Gauthier, um, um, you could have said when I was arriving, you could have said, Gauthier, if you want to stay in the US, you just have to drink until you're addicted. I never wanted that, so okay. So if you wanted that, just you needed to say to me in a clear way. Okay. Um, so here we go. I'm never going to get addicted to a substance. Okay. Basically, I'm always managing my pleasures, so I am never addicted. Okay. Um, Honestly, sorry guys, because for a long time I see that you wanted me to drink a lot of the times. Um, so sorry. Honestly, I was down on making you see parties maybe once a week. You see, and maybe drinking one time a week. You see, but that's it. Like drinking one two glasses, you see, like business meeting or something like that, and here we go. So if you wanted me to drink, so sorry, you should have said it in a clear way. So basically, if you didn't want people that come to the US without drinking, you just should have said that. Basically, you should have said to me, Gauthier, we want you to be addicted to drinking. Or not, maybe not like that. You could have said, Gauthier, we want you to drink 4 glasses a day. Okay. And I would have never agreed to that, and I would have just not come. You see? So I don't know why you tried to do that to me. You see? So sometimes it seems like you're trying to make me drink. That's why I say that. Okay? Um, uh, so here you go. If basically you're not part of the people that were trying to make me drink, it's okay. It's just that sometimes I felt like that. Okay? So here you go. Honestly, I would have told you honestly, no, I'm not going to drink. This is not how I see my life, you see, and that's it. And you see, the relationships would have been great, you see. And I would just not have come. You just do things in a clear way, you see. Um, you just say, okay, my dude, our culture is just drink 3-4 glasses a day, sometimes parties, and etc. I'm done on parties. Just not be addicted to drinking and drinking 3, 4, 5 glasses a day. You see, so you could have just said that, and I would have said, okay, okay, guys, my culture is different. For me, it's more about managing your pleasures and basically try to work with a clear headed, you see, and do parties with people some of the time, you see, maybe once a week, maybe drinking some alcohol or something, but like once in a while, managing this, and maybe and also doing parties sober, you see, I can perfectly do that, you see, so here you go. I don't understand the, you see, so for a long time I felt like so I felt like a lot of people around me were drinking, you see, and I was like, okay, I think it's the people's choice, and so they can choose to drink if they want. And at some point, I don't know, they tried to force it on me. So you see, so I think what happened is that while I was in the university working great, everything was great. Once I got the job, everything was great also. And at some point, completely changed, and they tried for basically years to make me drink. You see, so they just wanted to fuck me up. You see, so here you go. So honestly, sorry guys. You should have talked to me in a clear way. You see, um, I'm going to be developing the greatest project ever. Um, you thought at the time that I was someone that needed drinking. You see, um, I don't care. You see, I'm going to basically work the greatest I've ever worked in my life. So each day I'm trying to work the greatest I've ever worked in my life. Um, so I was working hard in the US. I was working hard at Sensual. Basically, while I was living what I was living, okay? And I'm working hard now. And I'm never going to stop, okay? I'm working hard because I like that, you see? So, and no, it's not an addiction. It's just that I want to improve the world and improve the lives of people. Um, um, improve the lives of people the greatest that it can be improved, you see? So here you go.